इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to one and all who have joined us today for this Sunday webinar. It is our 303rd edition of Business Opportunity Over Chai. In every edition, we try to bring the best business opportunity for you. And today, the brand which we are representing is Me and Mom, which has 125 exclusive stores, which is operational pan India. This brand is a pioneer in its own category. And now, with this, I would like to invite and welcome our Franchise India management team, Mr. Gaurav Maria and Sonia ma'am, to formally start the session. And they will explain about the business advantage. Over to you, Sonia ma'am.
It's a very good morning to all of you and a happy Sunday. And I hope everybody is safe in their homes. So friends, today we have the brand of the day, which is Me and Mom, which is represented by Mr. Mukesh Singh. And before that, I'll give you a small brief on the Investor Advantage program. So this is a program where we help investors in deciding the business opportunity, where we allocate a dedicated team member advisor who can be from our direct teams across India and also our independent franchise consultants who work with us. And here we help you with assessing the opportunity, assessing the brand, the industry, the market, and also we help you to undertake self-assessment. And we work with you through a period of 6 months, which helps you decide on the business that you want to buy. And we have a hotline number that you can reach out to, which we'll place in the chat box. If you're keen for knowing further details on the Investor Advantage program, you can reach out on this number. And while we wait for, and we already see a lot of our investors have already joined the session for today, we'll welcome all your inquiries that you might have on the business model in the Q&A box. And also to mention the city that you come from, that will help us in also suggesting if you're open for those locations, because the brand already has presence in more than 100 spots across the country. So, and I'll also like to invite Mr. Hamaria to set a perspective, and also we have another show that we do every day, which is a 30 city show that we've been doing for the last 3 days, and it will continue for the next 27 days. I'd like him to give a brief on that webinar, and then we can formally commence with our
Welcome, friends, and welcome to Sunday edition. It's a series which we've been doing for the last 1 year. Continue to bring you new opportunities every single day. Today is a special opportunity. We have a great association with the brand for many years. I've seen personally them starting when they were early stage business and how consistently they delivered their opportunity and now largest player in this category. So before I pass it to Mukesh ji to start and present Me and Mom is a great company. And that's why we see a lot of people have joined in. So it shows very clearly a strong interest over the brand. Even franchise in the ecosystem, we've been getting a lot of interest for the brand. We also, I would like to request that we have a very large network of our independent franchise consultants, which are available in 86 plus cities today. So if you are in your city, in your own comfort, somebody can come and advise you on what opportunity you need to do. And we advise you on different levels. We advise you not only on the opportunity, but also to help you to seek the right location. If you need a right real estate, and this time is actually very good because you are getting some very good deals in the market. And a lot of people ask me when they look at investing in the current time, I said this, whatever has happened in second wave, it will pass. But when you invest into business, you invest for next 5 years. So imagine if you got a rental of 25-30% lower at this stage, which would stay with you for next 9 years, the kind of money you can save, it would be an advantage. So specialty retail is a good category, and especially if you are able to secure low rental positions, this would be a great time to take that decision. As Sonia said, we've started another series which happens 7 o'clock every evening, 7 o'clock every evening. 12 o'clock is this show, which is opportunity show. And 7 o'clock, we do a show which is called Business Opportunity Aapke Ghar. So we are actually home delivering opportunity to your home. And we bring in every time a new opportunities, particularly city. We did already a city of Bhubaneswar. We did Amravati, which is in Maharashtra. We yesterday did Tri-City. And every day we bring in a new city and we talk about that city and bring different opportunities which are fitting to that city. So keep looking at our webinars. Also visit our earlier webinars which we have done on Facebook. There are about 600 different webinars which are available. A tremendous amount of knowledge is available. Three things you have to pass through whenever you're choosing a business opportunity. One is information, which is this, where you get an elaborate information on the brands. Second is evaluation, evaluate yourself. What opportunity would be right for you, your market, and your financial goals. And then also negotiate the right opportunity, which means that you need to very carefully sign the legal and the commercial contract with the company. So I'll not talk more. I'd like to invite Mukesh ji to now start presenting this great opportunity, which we've been having a lot of demand or inquiries coming to us. So Me and Mom for you. Mukesh ji, over to you, please.
Thank you, everyone, and very good morning to all of you. And I know entire country is going through a tough time. I hope everybody is well and fine. And with regards to start with the information about Me and Moms. Me and Moms, when we talk about Me and Moms, is one of the oldest and bigger kind of company in India, which started its journey since long, almost 26 years back. And we as a company providing a premium quality product at a very competitive and affordable price. Where when we talk about category, especially this kids and mothers segment, which is not really attached to the buying and purchasing the products, it is attached to the emotions. Whenever having a kids or whenever having a baby at anywhere or any person having their at home, they buy or they shop this kind of products with emotions, with full of emotions in fact. And whenever they go for shopping or whenever they go for purchasing this kind of products, they don't think of pricing sometimes until unless it is very high price product or it's very high end product. They buy with the hearts, they buy with the very emotional attachment, and that is the reason this category flourishing in a very good manner across India. We have across India a couple of brands in market, but we as a brand definitely feel that we are very fortunate to serve the entire customers or Indian people to give the product which is really good and affordable in terms of the pricing for the entire citizen. When the brand wise, when we talk about this is, one man vision, you can say, or, the dream. He wanted to start a kind of product which can serve to the entire nations, or a product which can be provided to the people, which is very affordable as well as the quality products for this segment. No, he is a Mr. Naresh Balram Khattar. He's the MD and chairman of this company. Started long back, almost 26 years back, and they have gradually started through channel sales, wholesale market, and then they have launched their own in-house brand called Mimi, which is very popular and very famous in this market and the category. Even our competitor also keeping the same kind of product in their stores, to showcasing and to giving a service to the customers. Even our competitor also keeping the same products. And after that, after a couple of years, they have launched retail stores to serve in a proper manner, to provide one-stop solution for the baby as well as the mother, where we cater the products from the maternity up to 3 years old kids, where we provide all kind of requirement, which starts from nappy to apparels, footwear. We have almost all the segments in the products which we provide to the customers, and in a large number of people who are looking for a baby products as well as the kids segments entirely. So we can share our screen and presentation where you can get through a in a detailed way what is all about Me and Moms and how it works all across, and what is the basic fundamentals of Me and Moms. I hope everybody is able to see my presentation.
Right.
So this is all about when I was talking about Me and Moms. It is more than 25 years old, company as a registered company, Me and Mom, where we have our in-house brand called Mimi, which is very popular and used in every 2 or 3rd household, especially in the mom, they are using products for the kids and the baby. We have completed almost more than 100 stores a long back. Right now we have 126 stores across India. And as I mentioned earlier also, that we are a 26 years old company, and we are providing a service and products to across the large number of people. This is our managing director who started his company as well as the dream to provide a products which is really lacking in that point of time, and they are providing a good quality of products and segments which is really missing at that point of time. This is a kind of brand story which wanted to share. Mr. Naresh Khattar has started this journey from 1994, and slowly started and reached to 100 odd stores, and it is going on till that time. And we are basically focusing on 0 to 3 years of baby. Even we started from the maternity category, where focusing on the apparels and the requirement of the products and the segments for the pregnant lady, focusing on this particular segment. And when we talk about the brand, we are certified with a various number of organizations and kind of bureau of standards which is required for this product. One of ASTM, which is American Standard of Trade, Trading and Material, European norms, all those big norms and certifications we have for our products. Moving to next slides, it is as I mentioned, like the company itself, it is started with 1994. It's a success story of Mr. Naresh Khattar, and he just wanted to provide a product and wanted to be a leading marketer of premium quality infant and baby products, with with the promise to provide high quality products and service for mothers to be infant and toddlers. Me and Moms has now become synonyms with the parenting and childcare, which I told that it's one of the oldest and the prime products what we are providing to the customers. Leading brands, as I mentioned, catering to all 0 to 3 baby needs in both B2B as well as B2C sectors with its e-commerce portal and store across India. The company has witnessed growth over 40% every year in past 5 years. That is the a strength you can say, or the plus point of our company, which growing year on year very strongly. This is me and mom's promises, joy of parenting, and endeavors to make the journey of parenting and childcare a joyful one. It's all about, which I told you, like this category understand the requirement of the customer, and they are providing products with with really with everybody is appreciating and accepting the product's quality as well as the its innovations kind of things in the market. We have a reach of 126 outlets across mall and high street locations, and more than 80,500 MBOs, which is wholesale markets across more than 17 cities and online portals. This is all about, we have discussed in this earlier, that been launched in 2007 of Mimi products under the company name Me and Moms. This was the vision that we wanted to be a continually aspire to be a shoulder for the modern parent to lean on, where as I mentioned that this is a category of the product where people buy or shop with emotions, not with the requirement. Requirement when happens, people sit back with the purchasing or buying, but with the when this kind of situations or scenario comes, they buy with the emotions and they go out of the hand also, out of the pocket also. That is the best thing of this product category, and wanted to be a leader on this market segment. Certification, as I mentioned, we have a certification of ASTM, F963, EN71, and other relevant international safety standards, which followed by us and followed by our company, which is very, very required for this particular product category, where the parents doesn't want to take any risk with regards to products or with regards to health of their kids. So we are following all the norms and standards which is required for this particular category and segment. If you talk about our strength, we have 96 category all across, 700 plus employee, and a strong system setup which is supporting us to deliver the smooth function across the segment, whether it is wholesale, whether it is B2C, whether it is online, or even in retail stores also. We have 470 plus products, 400 distributors across India, 80,000 plus retail outlet. If you talk about the financial, we are company having a 230 plus crore turnover last year, and we are by leaps and bounds. We are increasing our financial strong presence across India, as well as footprints in terms of retail stores also. We have 5 warehouses to supply the products across India. Southern region, we have a warehouse in Bangalore and Hyderabad. We have a warehouse in eastern region of Kolkata and Guwahati. Then northern region, we have a warehouse in Delhi, which caters across India through our warehouse. These are the recommendations of different magazines or different products portfolios of ours. When you talk about product portfolios in our brand, we are basically catering a product called infant utility products, which is basically nothing as a baby care products, which includes all kind of products related to the baby, whether it is a brush, lotions, cream, diaper, wet wipes, all those things. It comes under infant utilities products. Again, the toiletries also, that is the second portfolios we are following up. Apparels for the kids, footwear, toys, furniture and travel. Furniture and travel means the entire product range which comes under pram, walkers, tricycles, all those things which is useful for the kids as well as the parents also. Again, then maternity products. These are the basic product portfolios been supplied by the Me and Moms across India and across customers. These are the the products range. Basically, we are very popular in this particular segment, and customer acknowledge and accept our quality and the presence across India. These are the glimpse of the products what we are dealing with the kids. When we talk about the toys, it is not only for the child's for making them happy or to making them engage. What we are doing with the help of toys, it is to to making strong in terms of mentally as well as the physically. The kind of toys we are providing to the customers, all sort of toys we are providing, which is squeeze bath toys, soft toys, musical toys, educational games kind of toys, which is kids more than 2 years or 3 years baby, they're really useful for them. Bikes, tricycles, all those things. We have a large number of product segments in this category. These are the a few glimpses of the products. Furniture and travel, when we talk about it, is carry cots, prams, walkers, high chairs, baby cots, bouncer, rockers, all those products which is particularly known in this category under the brand name Mimi. These are a few snaps of our product line. Maternity products, when we're talking about, it was very useful for the pregnant women as well as to be moms, those who are looking for the products. These are the products we are catering. When we talk about retail experience, it is me and moms. As I said, we have started a long back, but the retail presence we have started probably 15 years back, or a kind of 14 to 15 years back, where we started to provide one-stop solution where all the products and all the product segments is available in one stop, where customers are getting everything whatever they are required, from the pregnancy to up to 3 years old baby. These are the few stores pictures where you can understand how the store look and feel of the complete stores when we set up the stores, when we do interior fit outs, all those things, whatever we are doing it for just a reference of your these are the stores, inside the store pictures, products, the store. E-commerce, when I was talking about e-commerce, we are available, all the major e-commerce online portals been supplied to and provided products to each and every customers whoever required. Whether it is Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, Snapdeal, Myntra, Nykaa, even our own website, which is Me and Moms, and even First Cry is also one of the biggest competitors for us also, but even they are using our products, and that is the best part and advantage for us as a company, that being a competitor also they are using our products, especially Mimi. Wholesale, when we talk about B2B, we are very strong and in-depth reach in terms of wholesale and B2B. BT is a new bonus stores, having a multiple stores and multiple number of stores across India, where it's a kind of multi-brand outlets. They are running their own stores and supplying products to the customer, and they are one of major clientele for me and Moms and Mimi. Then again, one of the segment or one of the channel is GT, which is general trade, which caters chemist stores, supermarket, hospital, pharmacy stores across India, where we are supplying products, and it has been available across the India and across the wholesale market. These are the few stores where or pictures where we are available in newborn stores, which is called BT. Pharmacy stores, which comes under GT, general trade. Our stores, events, normally when we are there in the stores or sometimes in the high street, to pull the customer, to bring the customers into the stores, we do different kinds of events and happening, so that we can attract the customers as well as the parents, which normally they are our targeted customers. Do a lot of events, a lot of marketing activities to bring back the customer to the stores, where supporting franchisee as well as company stores to bring the customer into your stores. That is our main motto. Not even COCO stores or not even only company owned stores, even for the franchisee stores, we do a lot of marketing and a lot of events, or happening things to bring the customers to franchisee stores. Even across even 2-tier or 3-tier cities also, we are doing the same thing. These are the few celebrities. I mean, like anonymously, they are using, Me and Moms or Mimi products. Even a lot of, pictures, going through and flashing across the media. When we talk about the city, it was not possible to, accommodate all or across cities in the slide. So I have mentioned a couple of cities where the number of stores are available. But the figure is altogether different. As I mentioned, it is altogether 126 plus stores we are there across India. Presence-wise, as I mentioned, 126 exclusive stores pan India, 80,000 plus multi-brand outlets. When we talk about shop-in-shop presence, we are there in Central, Hypercity, Chunmun, Religare, Little Shop, a lot of other shop-in-shop we are present apart from retail stores and wholesale market. when we talk about online presence, we are there in our own website, which is meandmoms.in, eBay, FirstCry, Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere we are there. Now, this was all about brands and all about Me and Mom's products. But nowadays, what we are focusing, we are trying to make ourselves reach as much as possible to increase our numbers and footprints across India. And for that, we are focusing on franchise model, and we are trying to bring the franchisee on board to get the maximum presence across India. And for that, this is a franchisee proposition, what we are looking for and what we are expecting from the franchisee and what we are providing to the franchisee. So this is all about franchisee propositions. What area wise we are requiring, it is 800 square feet and above. The category and the product segment what we are catering, it is not possible to accommodate all the category and products less than 700 or 800 square feet of area. That is the reason we are looking for a space 800 square feet of area. Brands apart from Mimi, we are giving other brands also to give options to the customer, especially in baby care products, which is like we are providing Himalaya also, we are providing Sebamed, we are providing couple of other brands like Mother Care and Event, Philips, all those brands to give options to the customers, especially in baby care segment, which is IFU. Apart from IFU, it has been provided across the category and across the segment. It is in-house product called Mimi. Mostly in terms of property, we are looking for ground on high street, and whenever it is in the mall, as per the zone. Ground, there is a particular reason, a particular concept for that, because our customer is mostly a pregnant woman. Targeted customer when we are talking about is the pregnant woman or to be mother, or post pregnancy also. Normally doctor doesn't advise to the mother to step up the stairs or to do such kind of exercise. So that is the reason we 90% expect, or 90% we're looking for the property in the high street, especially in the ground floor. Until unless first floor is a very good property or very good prominent locations or visibility available, we don't go for the first floor. Majority of the time we are looking for the ground floor. Investment, it is coming around 35 lakh and above across the segment, across the fulfillment of the entire setup of the stores, including your stock investment, your interior, fixtures, furniture, in fact deposit also. So it is altogether investment in the business coming around 35 lakh and above. Depends on the size of the stores. Margin wise, when you talk about, it is 34% average margin. Average margin is nothing. It's just like we have a different category. As I mentioned, like we are dealing with majority in 6 categories, which is apparels, footwear, toys, furniture, maternity, and IFU, which is baby care product. And all the category is having a different margin segment. Where when we do average margin, which is coming around 34%. And this is net margin. This is not a gross margin. This is the net margin, because GST has been borne by the company. Whatever the GST bracket, whether it is 5%, 12%, 18%, and even 28% also, that has been borne by the company. So 34% margin is a net margin for the customer, or customer means like franchisee. This is a net margin for the franchisee. As I mentioned, taxes and transportation on company. Taxes and transportation, as I mentioned, taxes, GST has been borne by the company, and transportation till the stores, we provide transportation till your stores. Wherever your store is there, we provide FOC or free of cost transportation to till your store's location. The best part or best support in terms of in this business to make you earn money, to understand this business, to gain profit, we are supporting a lot of stock correction. Normally in this category or normally in this segment, no brands does this kind of support. What we do, we give 100% stock correction apparels, which is as good as SOR model. But again, I'm saying this is not a SOR model, but this is an outright model. But again, this outright model, we are supporting in terms of a stock correction. Especially in the category of apparels, we are giving 100% stock correction. Means like whatever the left out stocks or non-sellable items is left out in your stores, we take it back and give it to new stock, which is to give the rotations of your apparel stocks. The rest of the category, what we do, rest of the category stock corrections, what we do, we give a 30% stock correction, normally in general. But what happened? Sometimes, the franchisee comes in a different background from the different backgrounds, or sometimes, the first time investors come up as a franchisee, they don't have idea about the business or the franchisee model. They have to buy the products, they have to buy the stocks. We provide the stocks. Normal terms and condition is that, we take a 30% stock correction for the other category apart from apparel. But for the first time, whenever the stock correction happens, what we support for the franchisee is we take 50% of your other category stock correction, so that, if you got an excess of stocks which is not required or which was not required for your store, for your city, for your locality, and we understood that, it was the first time we supplied, and after 3-4 months, because this stock correction happens every after 3 months, then, and at that point of time, what we do, we take a 50% of your stock correction, irrespective of the product category, especially in the other category of apparels. Normally it happens 30%, but the first stock correction happens with a ratio of 50%. When we talk about investment, as I mentioned in my previous slide, it was 35 lakh and above. There is a bifurcation of investment. Investment on stocks, it is 3,300 rupees per square feet of stocks. It depends on the size of the stores. For example, if we have a store size of 800, on 800 square feet of stores, we are providing a stock of 3,300 rupees per square feet stock, which is coming around 26,40,000. That is the investment in the stock. Irrespective or apart from this investment on stocks, we have an investment on interior also, which is coming around 1,200 to 1,300 rupees per square feet of investment in interior. Approx 9 to 10 lakh rupees coming around interior if the size of the store is 800 and 800 approx 50 square feet, where we charge very, very nominal franchisee fees, and that is one time, and it is 11,000 rupees. Refundable deposit we take for 1 lakh rupees, which is refundable after 3 years. We have a lock-in period between company and the franchisee of 3 years, and after 3 years, everything is smooth and function well, we return back this 1 lakh refundable deposit. Apart from this refundable deposit, we take architect fees, where we provide the complete design of the stores. My project team will be in touch with the franchisee until the stories get ready and the stories get operational. So we charge 50,000 for the architect fees, where my project team personally visit to the stores wherever across India the store is about to come. They have to visit the stores. They need to check the entire setup of the stores, designing, everything they do. And once they come back to the office, they do a follow-up from the back end, and whenever or wherever it is required by the franchisee in terms of project support, they support. They provide a proper support. So for that, we charge 50,000, and billing software, we are using Logix. And for that, we are charging one-time fees, which is 31,000 rupees. Apart from these fees, there are no other fees. In fact, we are spending a lot of AMC charges is involved in software, which is not being charged by the franchisee. So it is a one-time investment breakout for me and mom. When we talk about supports or marketing, what we do, or as I mentioned, we are as a company supporting in terms of marketing activities and doing a lot of promotional activities to bring back the customer to your stores, which will reflect, into your sales. So what we do, there is a launch marketing support. Whenever, the store coming anywhere, or, anybody is interested to bring the stores in his or her particular cities, as per the city category, we do a marketing launch, or especially a store launching support. For the metro city, we do have a budget of 5 lakh rupees. A-class city, we have a 3.5 lakh, and other cities apart from A-class, it is 2 lakh rupees. So this marketing support, what we do, this is a store launch support, where equally participate our expenses across India. So whatever, if it is other cities, if the total budget is 2 lakh rupees, 1 lakh, will be provided by the company and 1 lakh will be borne by the franchisee. Invitation card, proper invitation card will be provided by the company on a FOC basis. Regular marketing. It's not about only a store launch product or a store launch scenario. What we do in terms of regular marketing to bring the customers after getting open your stores, whatever the sale store is having or whatever the sale any franchisee is doing of that particular sales, you can use 5% of that particular sale in a marketing activities, which will be taken care by the company or which will be borne by the company. For example, if you're doing a sale of 10 lakh rupees, you have a budget of 50,000 every month where you can spend that amount into your marketing and promotional activities. It might be hoardings, it might be billboard, it might be TV ad, or it might be local TV channels, or it might be paper ad, whatever it is. So the amount is being provided by the company and it has been completely taken care of by the company for the first year. First year, the percentage or the contribution from the company side is 5%. From the first year onwards, it becomes 2.5% of your sale, same like the first year. Because as we all know that a store or the brand requires hype or a kind of marketing for the first year to attract, to make customer understand, to make customer aware that we have opened Me and Moms in that particular city. Once customer knows, customer automatically comes, because this is the beauty of this product segment and the category. And apart from this, also regular marketing activities need to be done during festival, during occasions. For that, we are having a budget of 2.5% of your sale. If you are having a sale of 10 lakh rupees, you can spend 25,000 rupees of every month for the marketing and promotional activities throughout the associations what we have with the franchisee and the company. Customer rewards point. There are a lot of brands that they are having a reward point or voucher systems. What they do, they have a contribution systems. Few percentage of contribution need to be borne by the customer franchisee, and a particular contribution percentage need to be borne by the particular brand. But what we do or what we support to franchisee is we are taking entire hit of this redemptions or the customer reward points. We are not charging anything from the franchisee. There are, apart from this margin or the support what we are giving, we are giving a sales scheme also. If we have a particular size of stores where we have planned that this much of stock should be there in the stores, if that base of stock is being maintained by the franchisee, we give a 2% extra every month on month, 2% extra sales scheme on the basis of maintaining a base of stock. There is end of season sale which has been widely available across fashion industry, which is called EOSS end of season sale, where the discounts will be borne by the company as well as franchisee also. This is all about Me and Moms. So this is all about Me and Moms as well as the franchisee options. Anything else, if anybody having a questions or if anybody is having a queries, definitely I'll be happy to answer them.
Thank you very much. So we'll try to summarize the business model. The very successful retail journey. They are an omni-channel company. Currently in retail, which is through EBOs. They're also through MBOs. Somebody asked that they are available in MBO. Yes, they are in multi-brand outlets also, and also online play. But retail is a big focus to create exclusive business outlets, which is the EBOs everywhere in the country. As far as financials is concerned, and you can clarify, Mukeshji, 3,300 rupees per square feet for stock, and 1,300 rupees square feet as interiors, which is your capex, and that would really collectively become almost about 4,600 rupees per square feet. The location required is 800 square feet. On that, you need to pay some deposits and money for the investment of the software, and 11,000 rupees as a franchise fees. And I do back of the card calculation is about say 5,000 rupees per square feet into 800 is what 40 lakh rupees, plus you pay the deposit on that, maybe 3 months of deposit which needs to be done, and some money for doing it. This number would go higher to 45, 46 lakh rupees. And if you add 50% contribution of your marketing fee, because in marketing fee, they want need a 50% contribution. Big cities, they're 5 lakh rupees, and then it keeps reducing to 2 lakh rupees in a smaller city. So are you saying that we need to have a provision of anything which is 45 to 47, 48 lakh rupees kind of a provision? Am I reading it right? Because you said the investment was almost about 30, 35, 36 lakh rupees, but this would go higher from a calculation viewpoint.
If you are calculating the deposit of the landlord, definitely it will go around 42, 43, not more than that, because 26 lakh is coming around stocks. If the size of the store is 800, and for interior part, it is coming around 9 to 10 lakh rupees, which is coming around 36. And then there is a total investment of 1.92 lakh for the company, which is again the refundable deposit of 1 lakh, and then other investment is 92,000 rupees. So 38 lakh rupees is the total investment for the company side. And if they are paying for the 3 months rental deposit for the anywhere, suppose, assuming that 1 lakh rupees is a rent, so they have to pay 3 lakh rupees of deposits, which is coming around 41 lakh rupees. So that is all together investment.
Marketing contribution.
Marketing contributions.
So
it depends. Sometimes we support in marketing also, because if the marketing or if the property is very nice, or the city is where the customer is very understanding, we support in terms of full marketing support also. So yeah, it depends city to city.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is that there is a higher chances of going up. So people have to plan it well. A lot of times I've seen that franchisees start with assumptions of a lower investment side, and they run out of capital, and they start into their inventory. So Franchise India will normally advise that keep another 5 lakh rupees for working capital. Keep a provision of because it might take some gestation cycle for the business. Yeah, so it's always good, and every city has a particularity. Like Bangalore used to have 10-month deposit. Now it's got softened. 10-month deposit for Bangalore. So if you have 1 lakh rupee rental, 10 lakh rupee would only into deposit in rent. So you need to really see every city would have a peculiarity. But if you want to start a Me and Mom, which is a great company, keep a provision of maybe 45 lakh rupees as capex, another 4-5 lakh rupees as opex. Then you are comfortable, and this business would take off very well. Otherwise, a lot of people eat into their working capital. And if you eat into your working capital, your stock levels come down, and hence your stock to turnovers would also go down. That's why the company is giving you extra incentive of 2% monthly, which means that your average weighted margin would go higher purely because from 34% average to 36%, because they want you to maintain minimum stock levels. Now, my two questions to you. One, would you like to give a breakup of product mix which you have? Say apparel, how much percentage out of the 26 lakh rupees? How is the breakup? That's one question. The second question I have is on you clarified on the stock correction viewpoint. Apparel correcting the entire stock. There is no dead stock for franchisee. But non-apparel, which is personal care, other products, which you can clarify. Even toys would come into non-apparel.
Yes.
So toys is a very tricky category. But to franchisees, I would say you need to understand how many toys you do that. Toys can create the maximum number of dead stock. Can be a very tricky category, but high margin category. So you need to know what moves. So that's why they give you first year 50% stock correction, and next year onwards 30% stock correction.
Not first year, Gauravji. It is a first quarter.
First quarter. Sorry.
First quarter. Yes.
So first quarter they give you 50% stock correction. So you, as a retailer, you need to understand what is selling, what is not selling. The next order you do, you should be very clear. A lot of people lose money because they stock wrong, and they are not able to understand the aging of the stock. So, so maybe you can give the description of the product mix. Then you can talk about the stock correction, explain this entire thing. And third point you also explain is the stock turnover. And how is there a seasonality also in your business? or you would have a similar kind of a rotational cycle?
The first question you asked about, the
Product mix.
product mix. Right. So product mix, definitely we have all together 6 category what we are dealing with. The maximum contribution is coming from the apparels, which is having a contribution of 46% of entire sale. So approx 46% to 47% is having a contribution of apparels. Footwear is having a 3 to 4%, which is coming all together. Apparels and footwear is 50%. Baby care, which is, again, IFU category segment is having a 20% of contribution in altogether sales, which is coming around 70%. Then maternity and toys is having a 15%. So 85%, and then furniture and travel category is having a 15%. So this is all together having a product mix of me and moms, where majority of contribution is coming from apparels, and then IFU, which is 20%, travel and this thing, furniture is having a 15%. So that is all together of product mix in me and moms. The second, you talked about
Stock correction.
Sorry, yes, stock correction. A stock correction, as I mentioned, like, in apparels, 100% we do, or we take it back all the stocks, whatever left out or non-sellable items, and take it back and give it to or replenish new stocks. So there is no data stocks for the franchisee, especially in the category of apparels, where normally 100%, it's a data stock kind of thing, or where franchisee been trapped, especially in this particular product category, and where we are supporting to the franchisee to take back all the non-sellable items and giving back new or fresh stocks. So and apart from apparels, as I mentioned, there is other categories apart from apparels, which is toys, furniture, travel gear, and then maternities, as well as baby care items, where we are giving normally in generally 30% stock corrections, because this 30% include baby care expiry also, because when the product is getting expired or is about to expire, they need to inform us before 2 months, where we can take back all the stocks and give it fresh or new products, especially in baby care. Apart from baby care, travel and furniture, the product is having a special or exclusive attribute that they don't expire, or they don't being out of stocks, or every year they don't come up with a new kind of product. So if the product is good, they can go churn around to approx 5 to 6 months or 8 months, and after that also, if customer is not buying that particular product, we can take back out of 100%, 30% we are taking back and giving or supplying or replenishing all those stocks. So that 30% is, covering approx all the data stock, which is not moving in other categories apart from apparels.
Okay. And you want to also talk about the turnover of the stocks in different mix?
See, I mean, like particular in this category, there is no any particular season, because it depends on the baby, or it depends on the customers, because it doesn't happen on the season wise or festival wise. Customer comes and do the purchasing. It happens sometimes, particularly in season like Diwali, or season like kind of Navratri Puja, they do some kind of shoppings, but this is the category where people normally comes and do the shoppings, so they don't have a turnover of the stock. But what we normally maintain is 3 to 4 times there should be a turnover of the stocks.
So which means, just to explain everybody, 26 lakh rupees of stock at MRP value, it would become what, 40 lakh rupees of stock?
Yes, absolutely.
तो 40 लाख रुपए का आपका MRP वैल्यू पे स्टॉक है. अगर आप साल में 3 से 4 टर्नओवर करते हैं, तो आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी 1.2 करोड़ टू 1.6 करोड़ बेचने की है.
Yes,
Am I right?
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. With the size of 800 to 900 square feet of area.
Correct. So for our audience which have not done retail has a very simple science. Science is all about stock turnover. जितना आप स्टॉक डालते हैं, वो साल के अंदर अलग-अलग लेवल पे रोटेट करता है. कंपनीज फैशन के अंदर नॉर्मली टर्नओवर जो हम लेते हैं वो 4 टाइम्स ऑफ स्टॉक टर्नओवर लेते हैं. स्पेशलिटी रिटेल के अंदर कभी-कभी वो कम होती है, 3 से 4% होती है. जैसे अगर आप डायमंड ज्वेलरी लें, वहां तो स्टॉक टर्नओवर्स आर वेरी वेरी लो. इट्स 1.5 टाइम्स टर्नओवर ऑफ स्टॉक,
because of high price item.
So आपको स्टॉक टर्नओवर देखनी पड़ती है. FMCG फास्टेस्ट टर्नओवर होती है और बाकी सबकी कम कम होती है डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच कैटेगरी में।
Right.
इसकी जो MRP स्टॉक है वो 40 लाख का है। अगर वो 4 टाइम टर्नओवर करता है हाई परफॉर्मिंग स्टोर पे तो 1.6 करोड़ सेल करेगा। अगर वो 3 टाइम टर्नओवर करता है विच इज द इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड, इट विल डू 1.2 करोड़ ऑफ सेल्स। और 1.2 करोड़ पे आपको अपने डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट करने हैं। 2 लेवल ऑफ डिस्काउंट हैं। एक डिस्काउंट है जो फ्लैट 36% है अगर आप मेंटेन करते हैं अपने स्टॉक लेवल्स को,
Yes.
तो 34 प्लस 2% मिलता है। और जब आपका EOS चलता है, एंड ऑफ सीजन सेल, तब आपका मार्जिन रिड्यूस हो जाता है, इट बिकम्स फ्लैट 20%। नाउ माय क्वेश्चन,
Only on apparels and footwear. Rest of the category, yes, same.
वो बड़ी कैटेगरी है, तो आपका
Yes.
जो 20 साल का आएगा, अगर मैंने 1 करोड़ 20 लाख की सेल की, 1 करोड़ 20 लाख रुपए के EOS और उसका मिक्स में क्या पड़ता है, ओवरऑल एवरेज डिस्काउंट ऑफ MRP कितना बन पाता है पूरे साल के अंदर। और
30-35% is the contribution during end of season sale, what we are getting across India or across the stores. And as I mentioned, like, the contribution of sale is 46% of apparels, where normal margin, particularly in apparels margin, we are giving a 35% net margin, which becomes reduced, or which reduced during the end of season sales, and it becomes 20%.
So very important aspect we have talked about. One is that overall sales is say 1.2 crores. 1.2 crores के अंदर 30% की contribution जो है वो EOS की है, और 30% के अंदर से which means that आप अगर उसमें से calculate करेंगे तो एक certain amount of contribution EOS की हो जाएगी, और उस 30% में से 50% पे आपको weighted margin 20% हो जाएगा.
Yes.
So that's a calculation, which means that अगर आपका जो overall 120 में से 30% जो भी amount बनता है, which is close to about 40 lakh rupees, out of that 40 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees of sale would get only 20% of the margin. So we have to really understand the financial in a little more depth. So next question I have is on the financial itself, that what do you keep normally as a component of rental? क्या rental होने चाहिए, और कैसे आप rental to sale prediction करते हैं कि कितनी percentage occupancy cost is what percentage in your store balance sheet?
12 to 13% what we calculate rent versus revenue.
So rent
Maximum is 13%.
So they retail के अंदर ये दो component आपको हमेशा पूछने हैं, एक rent to revenue turnover क्या है और दूसरी आपकी stock turnover क्या है। ये दो पैरामीटर ही आपकी रिटेल की परफॉर्मेंस को जज करते हैं। 12 से 13% की परसेंटेज होनी चाहिए आपकी रेंट की। मतलब अगर 1 लाख रुपए की प्रॉपर्टी ले रहे हैं तो आपका जो सेल्स साइकिल है वो 8 से 10 लाख रुपए तक होना चाहिए।
Yeah, right.
That's how the rent to which is very good in the industry. Sometimes in other stores, in fashion and other thing, it can go even higher because they take a very premium places in the shopping malls. Here you have an opportunity, and today this is a rent to revenue ratio is coming in a little bit of advantage because rentals are coming lower. So
as you have mentioned in the starting of this seminar, that this is the time where if anybody is having an investment capacity, they should go for it, because the rental is downfalling like anything, or they can get the property in a very, very economical price. So this is the right time to invest.
Okay, I'll take one question and one message I would like to pass to Rahul Jain. उन्होंने बोला कि मैं कम स्टॉक से शुरू करूं, आगे जाके बढ़ा लूं। मैं नॉर्मली एडवाइज नहीं करता हूं, क्योंकि कभी आप नॉर्मल स्टॉक से करोगे, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, स्टॉक टू टर्नओवर में आपको फिर वो सेल नहीं निकलेगी आपकी, और वो और आपको बस बहुत सारी मिस सेल भी आएगी, क्योंकि लोग जब आते हैं अगर उनको वो पूरी रेंज नहीं मिलती है तो फिर वो दे स्टार्ट मूविंग टू अदर स्टोर्स, व्हिच इज नेवर एडवाइज इन अ स्टोर। स्टॉक हमेशा मेंटेन करिए, क्योंकि और कंपनी मी एंड मॉम की शुरू से स्ट्रेंथ ये रही थी, एंड क्योंकि ये दे कम फ्रॉम द कैटेगरी, एंड इनके फाउंडर जो है इस कैटेगरी से आते हैं, तो उनको स्टॉक की और मर्चेंडाइजिंग की बहुत अच्छी समझ है। और बहुत सारी कंपनी जिसमें कामयाब नहीं हो पाई क्योंकि उन लोगों को मर्चेंडाइज की समझ कम थी और स्टॉक लेवल्स क्या मेंटेन करने स्टोर टू स्टोर उसकी समझ कम थी। सो लॉट ऑफ फेलियर हैपेंड इन दिस कैटेगरी, एंड वेरी few companies have succeeded. Me and mom has succeeded against big players. At one point in time they were competing with very, very big players, and they were able to compete because of their knowledge about merchandising and right stock levels. So I'll take one question and then pass it on to Sonia. अगर हम स्पोर्ट की बात करें तो 2 लेवल की स्पोर्ट किसी भी फ्रेंचाइजी को चाहिए होती है। एक प्री ओपनिंग, एक पोस्ट ओपनिंग। प्री ओपनिंग में हमने आपने बताया कि आप साइट सिलेक्शन में भी हेल्प करते हैं, एंड यू
Yes.
कैन ऐड a few things, and you will also help in the design, supply chain, training of people, hiring of people, all that is provided by the company. And post opening में आपने बताया कि obviously stock corrections and all these come in, but any other particular sport on the local store marketing particularly, क्योंकि जो आपने
Yes,
बोला
5%.
5
As I've given the bracket of 5% for the first year, whatever the sale is happening through particular data stores, we can support up to 5% of your sale. For example, 10 lakh is the sale. We are giving a support of 50,000 of every month marketing and promotional activities, which will be borne by the company. Absolutely.
So if I have to calculate this in the absolute number, this number would become for a sale of 1.2 crores, or it could be about 6 odd lakh rupees, 6 to 7 lakh rupees. They would give a budget. How this budget is given and where you spend this budget?
All across the marketing ATL or BTL activities, it might be hoardings, it might be paper ad, it might be pamphlets, it might be anything, local advertisement, or the association with the hospitals, whatever it is. So we are very much open, or sometimes it depends on the franchisee also what kind of marketing activities and promotional activities they want to attract the customer. So we are very much open for especially for the first year, because that is the time where it is very crucial for that particular stores and that particular city. And for next time or next year onwards, we are giving 2.5% throughout.
Excellent, very, very good. So it's a very good local store marketing is very effective in a category like specialty retail. Within
Yes.
4 kilometers of yours, if you have hoardings and if you have radio or if you have things of that nature, it helps you to drive sales. Now I'd like to invite Sonia. Sonia, if you can take questions, a lot of questions are coming in. And also I will request our audience to go out and write in a Q&A box the city you are interested, because
Yes.
हम अपॉर्चुनिटी को यूज करेंगे मुकेश जी से अप्रूवल लेने के लिए कि आपके सिटी में वो ओपन है या नहीं है, क्योंकि आप
Because a lot of times what happened, where they want to open a store, we are already available there. In that case, there is a particular radius is there. We have defined that, up to 4 to 5 kilometers, we cannot open second stores. So that also we need to manage or to understand.
Please reach out to write in the Q&A box and talk about the city you want to start or a neighborhood. अगर आपके पास अपनी प्रॉपर्टी है तो वो भी आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, तो हम मुकेश जी से प्रिंसिपल अप्रूवल ले सकते हैं कि वो लोकेशन ओपन है या नहीं है। जैसे पहला क्वेश्चन आया मनीष जी से बिलासपुर के बारे में, बिलासपुर छत्तीसगढ़ में।
Yes, we are very much open. We don't have availability.
मनीष जी, हमारी टीम है, आपको हेल्प कर सकती है। छत्तीसगढ़ में हमारी बड़े अच्छे सीनियर कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, तो हमारे मैं नंबर लिख रहा हूँ आपको, हॉटलाइन, उस पर व्हाट्सएप करिए एंड वी विल ऑर्गेनाइज योर डिस्कशन। ओवर टू यू सोनिया।
I'll take some questions from our audience, and friends, you can put your cities and we'll keep checking if these cities we have an option to open. And Keshi, जो पहला question which I want to take is on the, because you currently have a omni channel presence, आपका online भी है, आप अपनी website के through भी करते हैं, then you have exclusive outlets. So I also saw that question from the audience. तो आप कोई भी ऐसी sales जो आपकी physical store से होती है, is that integrated? मतलब fulfillment जो होता है वो आपका offline store करता है, or you keep these two channels exclusive to each other?
Exclusive to each other. They are both the channels are separate.
Okay, and इसमें सब कुछ even whatever sales which happen through the marketplaces like Amazon, Myntra, जहाँ पे आपने बताया, वो भी sales आप directly fulfill करते हैं, franchisee नहीं करता?
No. We directly fulfill. Because there is sometimes, earlier it was, happens, but what happened, there is a situation comes to credit note. Once, the stock goes from the franchisee and they don't get the payment, because the payment done directly to the online and payment comes to the company. Then, we need to raise the credit notes on behalf of franchisee. So a lot of time franchisee says that, we want, immediate cash, because, we are supplying a stock from our store. So we stopped this particular practice, and then we kept it, separate for those channels.
Okay, my other question again would be on your product differentiation. जैसे आपका online है और offline है, इसमें कोई product differentiation होता है? Is one of the questions which I would like to know.
No, there is no difference, and in fact, there is no difference in discount also. Sometimes what happens, immediate, we or customer sees the difference in the discount. Particular product is having a 10% discounts in the online and 15% discount in other side. So whatever the different discount is available in different side, definitely they can get the discount on the store itself. So there is no discount differences or no product differences in across the channels.
Okay, that's helpful. And अगर मैं key markets की बात करूँ, I'll take some locations also which are coming in. But if I talk about the key markets where you want to enter, because आपका तो pan India you already have I would say well penetrated regions, many of them. So कौन सी ऐसी key markets होंगी where you want to go? And if somebody is looking for a multi-unit franchisee, is that also an option? Or maybe master franchisee अगर आपको लगता है कोई city आपका less served है या under served है, ऐसे कोई markets होंगी जहाँ पे आप area franchisee भी आप देना चाहेंगे?
Yes, we do have, like Central India, we are having a less presence. Across MP, we are looking for a kind of master franchisee, or a number of stores can be handled by the single franchisee if we can get. We are interested. For MP, CZ is having only one store which is in Raipur, so we are looking for Central India as a major territory where we are interested to focus for Central India. Then again, Northern India, Upper North, we are looking for Rajasthan, we are looking for UP, we are looking for. So these are the particular cities we are looking for, to focus, to come up with the franchisee stores, number of stores.
Sure. So friends, I'll repeat, while they're looking for unit and multi-units all across, but चार ऐसी regions हैं, and these are very big regions, good markets, I would say, for a brand like Me and Mom, which is MP, Chhattisgarh, UP, Rajasthan.
Yes.
And these discussions will like to do one-to-one with anybody who's keen for exploring. And you can send all the information on the WhatsApp number that we have posted on our chat box. And couple of more questions, Mukeshi, which I'll pick up. I think we have Hora, I think wanting to know if the age group which we are catering to is one of the questions I think looking forward to. And the other is the sales team support and staff support in terms of recruitment. जो होता है सारे staff का, the company would help in the recruitment, or only the training aspect is taken care?
No. First thing, the age group is maternity to up to 3 years. That is the main core area we are focusing. Up to 4 years we say, but our major or core specialty is up to 3 years of the kids. In terms of recruitments help, definitely 100% we are supporting in terms of giving a recruitment support, taking an interview of the store manager particularly, and then other staff also. We check particularly and thoroughly whether they are fit for this store or fit for this category or not. In terms of training, definitely it is a free of cost, and after 2 months our training team available across the India, and region wise they are available north, east and west. They go after 2 months and they give a product knowledge and particular training to the entire staff.
Sure. And I will also take questions. I have one of our IFCs from Coimbatore asking how are the discounts given or they're dealt with, so the company would refund the discounts or it is partially shared with the franchisee, or we give a credit note. So how are the discounts dealt?
So discount is completely refunded in terms of credit note, not on the basis of cash, but on the basis of credit note. Apart from EOSS, during EOSS, as we already discussed, the margin been reduced up to 20%. But apart from this EOSS, throughout the year, we give a promotional activities and vouchers and coupon, which will be borne completely by the company. And whatever the difference amount comes, you will, or as a franchisee, will get back the credit note.
Okay, and I have somebody, I don't have a name, somebody who's logged in by Redmi is asking, is there a minimum requirement for stocks to be placed?
Yes, as I mentioned, like it depends on the size of the stores. It should be minimum stock basis 3,300 rupees per square feet. For example, if the 1,000 square feet of area is there, you need to keep 33 lakh rupees of stocks
at any given point in time. That we understand, but कोई minimum आपका size होता है कितना stock एक franchise partner आपको place कर सकता है? Is there a minimum stock that he has to place, or?
No, it depends on the size of the store.
Okay, okay, they can place any amount of stock, small or big.
Yes.
Okay.
And replenishment, if the customer is asking about the replenishment wise, while opening a store, or if any franchisee wanted to place the order, any particular amount, there is no base amount or 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees they need to order. If they are asking about the replenishment part.
Sure. Yes, they are. Okay, and Mukesh, another question which I'll pick is on the, I think Falguni ji is asking, do we have options to choose our own product mix? And yes, every franchise partner would have that option, but company based on their own data of running these stores and intelligence of data they have, they'll also pass on that to respective partners. But like Mukesh mentioned, based on maybe the first quarter sales, you would know what kind of product mix would sell. So couple of more questions, Mukesh ji. एक तो मैं कुछ locations जो आ रही है वो आपसे पूछूंगी. दूसरा, we talked about operating expenses में हमने rental की जो बात की है. इसके अलावा और कौन से हमारे expenses होंगे operations में? And हमारा जो staff होता है वो how much staff do we keep at the outlet? And typical हमारी staff manpower salaries क्या रहती है?
OPEX wise, first thing, like as you said, like, what is the operational expenses? Apart from rental, there is expenses comes around for electricity, which is coming around 10 to 12,000 for the size of 800, 900 square feet of area. Then staff expenses for the size of 800 square feet of area, you need 2 plus 1 staff, altogether 3 staff, 1 store manager and 2 sales staff, which is, customer attendees. So these are the major expenses, and apart from these 3 major expenses, they need to have a bit of miscellaneous expenses, which is tea, snacks, or telephones or other expenses which come around 5 to 6,000 rupees monthly. So that is the OPEX altogether coming.
Okay, that's helpful. And किसी एक जो question है being asked by one of our IFCs, Mr. Amar Lunia from Bangalore. He wants to know, जब हमने margin की बात की, I think there's about 34% margin overall that we have talked about in our presentation. क्या ये margins across all the categories flat, या हम ये blended margins आप बोल रहे हैं 34%?
Yeah, 34 is the average margin, because apparels we have a 35, footwear, maternity we have a 35, 33% is toys and furniture. So altogether it is average margin is coming around 34.
Okay, and
flat margin.
Okay, and कौन सी categories में हमारा margin comparatively कम रहता है?
IFU में, baby care products में.
And how much is that 31. Margin?
31.
That's 31. So on an average आपका जो margins है 31 to 37% रहता है. So blended margins हमारे 34% के आसपास रहते हैं. Great. And कुछ locations है, Port Blair है is one of the cities places which I saw. Saharanpur is another location which I saw an inquiry coming from. We have somebody from Bihar, Sivan, asking if that location has a potential. So yes, apart from these cities, Mukesh ji, आपको important cities बताना चाहेंगे जहाँ आपका immediate priority है?
I mean, like as I mentioned, entire territory as a central India, we have a priority. Then UP, Lucknow, we are there. Kanpur, we just recently launched our store in Jet Square Mall. It is coming on, fit out is going on. So Kanpur is the city, Bareilly is the city. We are looking for having our store. And when you talk about upper north, like Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Bathinda, Patiala, these are the stores. These are the locality or cities we are looking for having our store. Jammu, we don't have a presence. We are looking for Srinagar. We are having our 2 stores. So Jammu, we are looking for a stores to have our store. And then Simla also, we have 1 store in Himachal, which is in Kullu. Simla is there, Mussoorie is there, where we can have our store.
Sure. एक last question जो मैं लूंगी is again from Hora, asking that exit strategies. Is there some exit strategy for a franchise partner?
Yes. Yes, I mean, like exit, as I mentioned, like, there should be a 3 years locking period between a company and the brand. And for that, we are taking 1 lakh rupees of deposit. Once 3 years been completed, you will get back or you will refund it back the 1 lakh rupees as a, deposit money to the franchisee. And exit is like, all same, like, if you want to close down the stores, or if you are not feeling that, you are not earning or gaining the profit or money, you can anytime you can exit. There is no boundaries on that.
And what happens to the stock is a question which they wanted to know. So stocks, they are taken back on certain discounts, or क्या किस cost पे हम वापस लेते हैं if we do that?
See, I mean, like right now, what we are having a policy is to take back the entire stock of, whatever the stocks you have, we take back 30% of entire stocks, not the full stocks. We take back 30% of your entire stocks.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's helpful. And हमारा term Mukesh जी कितने साल का होता है? And somebody, they want to extend the term, after your initial term is over, उसके क्या आपके, how do you treat that? Is there some extension fee that we take?
No, we don't have any extension fees. The agreement would be 9 years of agreement, or at least 6 years of agreement, because lock-in period is 3 years. So after 3 years, it is automatically renewed because you are already associated with the company. There is no extension fees or nothing like that.
Great, very helpful, Mukesh. We are seeing many questions coming in. What we can also do, and friends, a lot of you have not put your names. I will request when you come, if you put your names, it is helpful. We can pick names and pick up the question. So we'll take up all these questions one to one, and especially anybody who's keen on doing a master franchisee, area franchisee for the 4 regions that we've talked about can reach out on the hotline number. And I also saw somebody wanting to get in touch with Mukeshi. There were some questions which I saw. So we can keep one of the days, Mukeshi, where we can bring our prospective investors who have come into the webinar, जहाँ पे हम आपकी एक 1-on-1 meeting call सबके साथ करा सकें. Any date in the coming week जब हम कर सकते हैं? Shruti, do we have a date that we have already agreed and we can announce?
You let me know,
So
because
we would.
I'm very much okay with the having a or giving a question answer to the franchisee.
Sure. So
So Mukeshji, with your confirmation, shall we book a slot for any day if you recommend?
Yeah, after Tuesday you can take any day.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
then we shall keep it for Wednesday, ma'am.
we can keep it for, I think we can take the next Monday, Tuesday, and 2 days we can take to reach out to the entire audience. And Wednesday, we can keep a date, Mukeshi. And if we have a spillover in terms of time, we can extend that to Thursday. So friends, we'll request you can reach on the hotline number. जो भी आपकी queries हैं and locations हैं, अगर आप mention करेंगे, we'll start blocking your slots for Wednesday as well as Thursday. And we have taken all the queries. And I think Horaji, you're asking where to contact. We have put our hotline number in the chat box. I'll put that again also. And you can see in the chat box, we have put our number. You can reach on this number, and I will also put one email ID in case you want to send any details. You can also mark an email on this ID. And we look forward to receiving your feedback and queries. And we'll block half an hour slot with Mukeshi on these 2 dates as convenient to you. And before we close, Mukeshi, any last message that you want to give to the audience which is here listening, both live as well as on the webinar?
I would like to tell everybody this is the category everybody goes with the emotional attachment. So this is the very unique category. People who wanted to come as a entrepreneur or wanted to be a businessman. This is the category, or this is the the segment where they need to or they should go for it. Because very few brands are available across India, which is having a across India chain availability across India. Very few brands are there, so definitely they can think of having a franchisee of Me and Moms. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Sonia ji.
Thank you, Keji. We look forward for working with you closely to bring a lot of transactions and help people to start Me and Mom store in their city. Friends, if you want to get regular updates on this, please save this number of business hotline and send a WhatsApp. So we will be also sending you regular broadcast on information on different brands. So thank you very much for joining in today. And as Sonia said, Wednesday is the first discovery day with Me and Mom. Great opportunity. If you want to apply, quickly reach out to our WhatsApp number, business hotline number, or send an email or call this number, and we will fix up your appointment. First, check your profile. Are you eligible for taking an opportunity? Which is also very important that we filter down, and that's a responsibility with Franchise India, that we filter every single inquiry before we present to Me and Mom, that it can be a qualified inquiry for them. So thank you very much. Over to you, Sonia, for your last minutes.
Thank you, friends. And I think somebody had also asked again on the Facebook link, and we have the entire recording of today's webinar also on the Franchise India Brands Facebook page. I've already put the link of our Facebook on the chat box. You can maybe copy that link and see the entire recording once again. And Mukeshji, if I can request you to take off the presentation, and Shruti, if you can place the presentation that we have for our webinars that we want to showcase to our investors.
Sure, ma'am.
Right. Yes.
So friends, you can reach out to us on our business hotline number. You may also save this number for regular updates, which is 9717683838. I repeat, 9717683838. You can also get in touch with us on our various social media handles. You can also get in touch with the Franchise India management team on LinkedIn. Post this, today we have East India Franchise Show beginning at 4 p.m. where we invite top 9 brands for the special East India region. You may join us for the same at 4 p.m. sharp. Post that, we'll have as discussed at the beginning of the show, we are hosting 30 days, 30 cities webinar. This is the fourth chapter of the day, which is Aurangabad chapter. You can join us for the same at 7 p.m. Tomorrow at 12 noon, continuing our business opportunity over chai, which will be 304th edition of the same, where we are bringing Anatomy, which is a leading gym and lifestyle chain. Please join us tomorrow at same time, 12 noon. Take good care of yourself. We would take a goodbye for the day. See you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, friends.
Very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukesh.
Thank you.